Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a power supply upgrade for Dell XPS and Alienware Aurora R5 desktops. Specifically, we're looking at the LXun HU460AM-01, a 460-watt power supply designed as a compatible replacement for several Dell models, including the XPS 8930, 8920, 8910, 8900, and even older series like the 8700 and 8300, as well as the Alienware Aurora R5. If you're experiencing power issues with your Dell XPS or Aurora R5, or perhaps planning a graphics card upgrade that demands more juice, this LXun power supply could be a viable solution. It's designed to replace a range of Dell part numbers, including WC1T4, AC460AM-01, L350AM-00, and others, making it a versatile option for various systems. The LXun HU460AM-01 boasts an AC input of 100-240V, 50 to 60 Hz at 5.0A, and delivers a maximum DC output of 460W. Now, it's important to note that this power supply features a temperature-controlled fan. This means the fan speed will adjust based on the CPU and overall system load. During demanding tasks, the fan might become a bit louder, but it should quiet down as the system temperature decreases. One crucial point to consider before purchasing is compatibility. While the product description lists numerous compatible models, it's always best to visually compare the LXun power supply with your existing unit. Ensure the connectors and dimensions match to avoid any installation headaches. The manufacturer emphasizes this point, urging buyers to verify the picture matches their current power supply, regardless of whether their computer model is on the compatibility list. LXun offers a 1-year warranty with this power supply, providing some peace of mind. If you're looking to breathe new life into your Dell XPS or Alienware Aurora R5, or simply need a reliable replacement power supply, the LXun HU460AM-01 is worth considering. Just be sure to double-check those compatibility details before you click that buy button.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.